Are you ready to surprise and delight those amazing mothers in your life? Well, in today's video, I have not just one, but 3 mouthwatering mocktail recipes for you that are sure to make her feel like the queen she is. So stay with me. Mother's Day mocktail number 1. Let's start out with 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves. Then we're going to add 3/4 ounce elderflower syrup and muddle that. Don't over muddle, it'll make your mint bitter. Nobody likes bitter mint. And then we're going to add 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice. Ice up that mixing glass and give it a really good shake. Nice bow tie. Then strain into your cute glass and top it off with non-alcoholic champagne or sparkling. I'm using Groovy Dry Secco. Garnish that with a little mint sprig. And there you have it. Mother's Day mocktail number 2. Let's start by adding some fresh strawberries, about 5 or 6 to our mixing glass, followed by 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice, then 1/2 ounce maple syrup. I'm using bourbon flavored maple syrup for a little extra flavor. Then we're going to muddle those up really well and add fresh ice. And then give that a really good shake. Shake, shake, shake. You know what kind of shake I mean. Then dirty pour that into your wine glass or whatever glass you choose. And then top that off with some fresh ice, and then we're going to top it off with some hop water. I love adding hop water to mocktails. It gives a little added flavor, has a wonderful fizz. And then this is optional, but a little bit of rose water for extra aromatics. Garnish it with fresh strawberry slices, and there you have it. So refreshing. And last but not least, Mother's Day mocktail number 3. We're going to add 1.5 ounces aplos, but any non-alcoholic gin substitute will do, followed by 3/4 ounce grenadine, 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice, and about 2.5 ounces of frothed aquafaba. Ice up your tin and then give that a really good shake. If you'd like to see a video on how to properly shake, check this out here. We're going to strain that into a martini glass or whatever you have on hand, and look at that beautiful froth. So creamy. Garnish it with a lemon rose, and there you have it. A beautiful, velvety Mother's Day mocktail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.